Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore the fast rise of Shenzhen and its influence on global technology during and after the COVID years. Shenzhen is a city located in the Guangdong province of China. It is a major financial and technological hub in China, and it has a population of over 13 million people. Shenzhen has been rapidly growing in recent years, and its impact on global technology has been significant. Shenzhen is home to many of China's most successful tech companies, such as Huawei, CDE, Tencent, and DJI. These companies have been driving innovation in various areas of technology, including 5G, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Many of these technologies have become even more important during the COVID-19 pandemic. For example, 5G technology has been crucial in facilitating remote work and online learning during the pandemic. Huawei, one of the biggest tech companies in Shenzhen, has been at the forefront of 5G development. The company has been working on developing 5G networks, which have the potential to transform many industries, including healthcare, transportation, and entertainment. Another area where Shenzhen has been influential during the COVID years is in the development of medical equipment. Many of the medical devices used to treat COVID-19 patients, such as ventilators and thermometers, have been manufactured in Shenzhen. Companies in Shenzhen have been able to quickly adapt to the changing demands of the pandemic and have been able to produce these devices at scale. Shenzhen has also been a major player in the development of robotics and automation. Companies such as DJI have been developing drones that can be used for various purposes, including delivering medical supplies and disinfecting public spaces. Robotics and automation have the potential to reduce human contact and minimize the spread of infectious diseases. In addition to its influence on global technology during the COVID years, Shenzhen has also become a major player in the electric vehicle industry. As the world shifts towards a more sustainable future, the demand for EVs has been increasing, and Shenzhen has been at the forefront of this movement. Shenzhen is home to several major EV companies, including BYD, NIO, and XPeng. These companies have been developing innovative EV technologies and have been making significant strides in EV production. BYD, for example, is one of the world's largest EV manufacturers, and the company has been investing heavily in research and development to improve its EV technology. One of the factors that have contributed to the success of the EV industry in Shenzhen is the government's support. The Chinese government has been actively promoting the adoption of EVs and has been providing various incentives to encourage people to buy EVs. These incentives include tax breaks, subsidies, and free license plates for EVs. The success of the EV industry in Shenzhen has also been due to the city's strong manufacturing infrastructure. Shenzhen has a well-developed supply chain, which has made it easier for EV companies to source the materials and components needed to build EVs. Additionally, the city has a large pool of skilled workers, which has made it easier for EV companies to hire and train employees. The EV industry in Shenzhen has not only had a significant impact on the city's economy, but also on the global EV market. As more and more companies in Shenzhen continue to invest in EV technology, the city has become a major exporter of EVs and EV components. Shenzhen's success in the EV industry is a testament to its ability to adapt to changing market demands and to its commitment to innovation and sustainability. In conclusion, Shenzhen's fast rise has been fueled by its tech industry, and its influence on global technology has been significant during the COVID years. Shenzhen has been at the forefront of developing technologies in the last few years and is expected to only grow in importance in the future. Its success is a testament to the importance of innovation and collaboration in the tech industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.